Let's talk about health for a second, not just physical health, mental health. Personally, what I like to do is I like to go on walks. Why do I like to go on walks? It helps me kind of clear my mind. It kind of de-stresses me. Like I might be sitting at my desk for, 4 or 5 hours. And sometimes you just have to have a mental break. Like you literally have to kind of stop. And it's one thing to kind of just go and kind of have a conversation, but it's nothing just kind of be alone and just kind of go for a walk. This way you can kind of just kind of clear your head. Again, I think that's super important. It's the same thing. Like I wrote an article about taking an 8-hour shower, right? Because that's usually when you're not being productive and it allows you to kind of be creative. And so a walk gives you that same time, right? So if you go for a 20-minute walk, not only are you getting good exercise in, but it clears your mind just to kind of, maybe think a little bit more creative. Who knows, you might get your next best idea by literally pausing this video right now. Like pause it. Don't even listen to the rest of it. Pause it and then just go outside, go for a walk, and then we'll see you later.